Anna is 6 months old today. On March 3rd, 2007. What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, dropped it. You can get it. Need some help? Oh, it's kind of stuck, isn't it? There. Shake it, 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 shake it. Shake it, shake it. Oh, that's the problem with eggs. They roll all over the place. There. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Spin. That egg is so fun. Well done. Good job. We've been learning that all week. Shaky, shaky. Shake, 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 shake. Shake it, baby. Oh, it's gone again. Huh. There it is. So exciting. Uh-oh. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? Eat your microphone. Okay. Here. Got it. Got it, got it. Oh. Oh no. Down. Up. Alright. That's it for the egg. Bye. Bye. Bye.